Friends, welcome to my channel Safety in Pocket. Today we will discuss about safety appraisal. So before going to safety appraisal, we have to first see what is appraise or appraisal. To appraise means to set a value on. That means to consider a proper value by proper calculation for each and every agents of any plant individually. So in a plant, whatever agents are there or whatever parts are there, we have to calculate them. If, we have to calculate them individually as well as overally and to set a value on. This is known as appraisal. So safety appraisal includes all ways and means to measure and indicate the value of any plant, machinery, process, method, exposure, etc. in terms of their individuals and total safety effectiveness, performance, maintenance and control techniques. So in a plant, whatever agents are available like the plant itself, machinery, process, method, exposure, etc. in terms of their individual and total safety effectiveness, how safely they are effected or what is the is it effectively performing or not, what is their performance, how we are maintaining it and how the control techniques are applied to it. Overally and individually all these things are appraised or all these things are calculated and a value is set on, that is known as safety appraisal. So safety appraisal is the first step of any safety organization in its march towards accident prevention program. So now simply we know that safety appraisal is a program of accident prevention. Definition of safety appraisal. Safety appraisal system is a system, method, practice or procedure to measure the safety performance and standard of the same system. So the measurement of safety performance and standard of a system or a method or a practice or a procedure is known as safety appraisal system. Its purpose is to evaluate its effectiveness and reliability and also to find out the drawbacks and deficiency if any and to suggest safety measures to raise its safety value. So the purpose of safety appraisal is to evaluate the effectiveness of the system, method, practice or procedure or reliability, how reliably it is working, and to find out the drawbacks, whatever drawbacks are there or whatever deficiencies are there in future that may cause any accident or any hazard, and to suggest safety measures to raise its safety value. And after finding out the drawbacks or deficiencies, we have to give some safety measures to raise its value from safety point of view. Then we will see that types of safety appraisal. There are basically 4 types of safety appraisals like qualitative appraisal, quantitative appraisal, preventive appraisal, corrective appraisal. First we will see about qualitative appraisal. Qualitative means quality in a area from safety point of view of a plant. So this appraisal is carried out to find out the areas inside a plant where safety improvement is necessary. So from safety point of view, if we have to find the safety requirements or safety improvements necessary in a particular area of a plant. It includes techniques of inspection, audit, review, analysis and study for smooth maintenance of safety. So how we can find out the areas where safety improvement is necessary? If we will carry out inspection, audit, review, analysis and study for smooth maintenance of safety. How the safety can be maintained smoothly? If all these things can be carried out, we can know that in that particular area some safety improvements are necessary. Previously approval of plant and building, machinery layout, safety measures provided and to be provided are necessary for these objectives. So previously whatever plant and building approval are there, machinery layout is what type of layout is available, safety measures what are provided in that area or what are to be provided are necessary for this objective. We have to consider that are they effective or not. If not effective, we have to apply or we have to give some preventive measures for making it safe. The next one is quantitative appraisal. From quantitative appraisal, we can know that one quantity related thing is there. So which quantity? The frequency and severity quantity is computed or considered here. It is the method of computing accident frequency, severity, incident and their index rate, etc. So in quantitative appraisal, we are computing the accident frequency, severity, incident and their index rate. Frequency rate is useful in comparing safety performance of different units in a given time. So for comparing the safety performances of different units, we are using frequency rate. It is considered for a given time period, means it is calculated from half yearly or yearly. Severity rate is useful in comparing safety performance of the same unit in different time period. So in a particular time period, how severely the incidents are happening, that can be calculated of a particular area of the plant in different time periods. The third one is preventive appraisal. Preventive appraisal includes preventive maintenance before any accident occurs. Plant safety sampling, safety survey, fault tree analysis, risk analysis, hazard study, safety inventory, safety standards, system safety, safety permit system, safety tag and lockouts, etc. are used for this purpose. So preventive appraisal means before any happening of hazard or incident or any accident, we are giving the safety measures. So how we can know that one existing hazard is there? By plant safety sampling, by safety survey, by fault tree analysis, risk analysis, hazard and hazard study, safety inventory system. All these are some systems by which we can know that existing hazards are there, and to mitigate them we have to give some preventive maintenance. Inspection should be done by plant personnel, safety officers, safety experts and factory inspector. All these personnel should do the inspection and they should give their valuable suggestions, and we have to execute the suggestion for maintaining a safety and healthy working condition. The next one is corrective appraisal. Corrective appraisal includes corrective maintenance after any accident takes place or any defect is detected. Suppose one accident happened, then we have to implement some safety measures. Why we are implementing these safety measures? Due to which mistakes this accident happened, to correct them we are giving corrective maintenance. Or if any defect is detected, then also we have to give some corrective appraisals. If the detected defects are not repaired, it will continue the interruption of activity and ill effects on health and safety. If whatever defects are detected, we are not correcting it, then it will continue its interruption. Then health and safety will be hampered, accident will happen. Accident investigation, analysis, identification of facts, accident potential and causes, application of remedy are carried out in this appraisal. Next, we have to see what are the objectives of safety appraisal. The first objective is to set a value on. How we can set a value? By measuring the value of any plant, machinery, process, method, exposure, etc. in terms of their individuals and total safety effectiveness, maintenance and control technique. So whatever machinery, plant, process, method, etc. are available in our plant, we have to set a value on by their individuals and total safety effectiveness, maintenance and control techniques. Applying different types of appraisals like qualitative, quantitative, corrective and preventive at appropriate situations. In which situation, which type of safety appraisal is necessary, we have to apply them correctly. All types of appraisal tests and records should be maintained as a minimum necessity according to the statutory requirements. According to the laws and regulations or according to the Factory Act, we have to maintain all the records of all tests for a minimum necessity for a minimum necessity of safety. So whatever testings are carried out, testing of boilers, pressure vessels, lifting machine, fire safety, monitoring and analysis of toxic, flammable and explosive or harmful environment, medical health checkups of workers should be done according to the Factories Act and rule and other similar statutes. Industrial safety organizing should be organized as an integral part of routine industrial operation. As a routine industrial operation, industrial safety organization should be carried out. Inspection of plant, machinery, tool, equipment, premises, work practice, process, procedure and general environment must be carried out for the health and safety of plant people and surroundings. So for the health and safety of plant peoples and outside the plant peoples, we have to carry out inspections of the plant, machinery inspection, tools inspection, equipment and premises inspection, work practices inspection, processes, procedures and general environment inspection, so that the inside people and outside the plant people can be can work properly and a healthy condition can be maintained. For this reason, on-site and off-site emergency plans are useful and we have to maintain them properly. The concept of total loss control and total loss prevention should be maintained for increasing levels of safety. For increasing levels of safety, we have to maintain or we have to study the concept of total loss control and total loss prevention. By applying good safety appraisal system, all manufacturers should produce good products. If the good safety appraisal system is maintained properly, the manufacturers will produce good products. So compensation should be payable for breach of product safety. If product safety is breached, or for the breach of product safety, compensation should be payable. Thank you for watching, and if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.